smart way of looking up. I am trying to solve this question. Here I have to use VLOOKUP. This is mentioned in the task, but exactly I don't know how to use VLOOKUP. I have some doubts on it. Let me book a doubt session for it. Okay, in expert sessions, yes, there is a doubt session, schedule doubt session. I have doubts in spreadsheets, topic related to MS Excel, agenda I can describe. I have and I can also share a question link. So this question link I can share here. I have to select a time slot. Okay, on Saturdays there is session available from 5 to 5:25. I'll schedule my session, schedule and confirm. Okay, my session got booked.
Hello, hi Sudipto, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? I'm good.
I'm good. Yes. What is your doubt about?
So, ma'am, I was trying to solve this question which says I have to combine two functions. One is VLOOKUP and another one is match.
Okay.
So, can you help me? Like, I don't know how does the match function works and how to combine it with VLOOKUP.
Sure. Please start sharing your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Is my screen visible?
Yes. Your screen is visible. Okay.
So I was solving this question, which is smart way of looking up. This is the question name.
Right.
It is use VLOOKUP function with match function.
So they've asked us to fetch three details here: age, business travel, and department, right?
Yes, ma'am. And this is the original table.
Got it. So you can perform VLOOKUP alone and get the details, but in the question they are specified to perform both VLOOKUP and match, right?
Yes.
Cool. So, Sudipto, can you give me what is your understanding about VLOOKUP and match function? Like, what do you understand?
So VLOOKUP function, I understand it is a lookup function. So using a lookup value, this VLOOKUP function fetches a particular value from a different table.
Right.
So if like this is my lookup value RM689.
Okay.
So using VLOOKUP, I can fetch any value corresponding to RM689 from this table.
Got it. Right. Okay. What about match?
Match function, I don't understand, ma'am.
Okay. I'll explain you as we're solving this question. Maybe you can start solving this question. So you can add VLOOKUP function.
Okay. So VLOOKUP, I have to fetch. This is my lookup value.
Yes.
And this I have to fetch from this table.
Right. So how do you select the entire table array?
Control Shift down side.
Yes.
Like this. Or Control A also can be applied.
Right.
And I'll fix the range as well.
Why do you have to fix the range?
So that when I drag it, it doesn't change.
Okay. Right.
And then this is, I think, the column index number.
Yeah. So what is the column index number that you can add here?
So column index number, I am searching for age. So age is my fourth column. 1, 2,
Right.
3, 4. So I think I'll
So
put 4 here.
Sudipto, the tricky part comes here in this particular question. So every time when you have to input the column index number, you're supposed to count the columns, right?
Yes.
Instead of, to make it easier and to automate it, we can use match function.
Okay.
So what happens with match function? Match function will get you the position of that particular value within the range.
Okay.
Okay, so you can match the column age.
So this
Okay,
4, should I delete this?
yeah, you can delete that and add match function there. So do you know the parameters used in match function?
I think we can look it up from here. No, these
Yeah,
are the parameters.
yes. So it's again the same. Look up search key,
Okay.
range, and search type. So what is the search key here?
A search key, I think, will be the column name.
Yes.
So column
Yes.
name is, I think, B1.
Yes, right. And
Range from,
what about the range?
what will be, I don't know, range, this range,
No.
this range,
Yes, yes.
this header.
Yeah. A12.
Okay, I want to
What is the final column?
AP.
Yes. Go ahead.
AP1. Here also I have to fix the
It is you
range.
have
No?
yes, you have to fix it. It's just the header. Okay.
Okay.
So by looking up the header, you're searching for that particular column age. You're matching that particular column age. Okay. And the
Okay.
search type is always, of course, exact, which is 0.
0. Okay,
Mm.
similar to VLOOKUP. There
Yeah.
also.
Similarly, you have to add the same for VLOOKUP. Now you can
Okay.
enter.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Now you
So this,
can drag the same for below rows.
okay, below
No.
rows.
Below rows, yeah.
Okay. There is some error.
What is the error?
So it gives NA error.
Okay.
Okay, I think this is getting changed. I forgot to fix this. This B1, because I think this should always be
Yes,
same.
exactly. It is good that you have pointed out.
Yeah. So
Yes.
now. Okay. So
Yes.
if I drag it like this, then also it will be filled up, ma'am.
You can try once. It
Okay.
won't, right? So what is the reason?
Okay, this A2 is getting changed from A2.
Exactly.
So that also I have to fix.
Yes. So you have to fix A2.
Okay. So I have to fix the column so the column doesn't change.
Yeah.
Okay. Now if I drag.
Did you fix A2? Yes. Now you can
Yes.
drag, and yeah, this works absolutely right for the other 3 columns.
Okay, yes, it fetched everything.
Now you can try submitting.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. All the tasks passed.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Cool, Sudipto. Keep solving all the practice questions. And also, if you have any doubts, you can reach out to us. We'll always be available for solving your doubts.
Sure,
Okay.
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.